Natural disaster survival, but I cannot touch the color green. This doesn't count because I can't touch grass. This doesn't count because you don't deserve anything in your pathetic life. Ignore my parents in the background, guys. OH no, it's a flash flood, guys. Disability Gaming 89 needs to survival. This game is so easy, love all idiots. Holy cheese crackers, this game sucks, and you suck. I will live because I'm cool.